The Wellbeing Recipe. I warn you, you won't find the ingredients in the kitchen. They are all inside you. Choose and declare to yourself that your emotional serenity and your physical well-being are the most important things. Train yourself to be as present as possible, focusing mainly on your physical sensations. Listen and observe others in life as if it was the first and the last time you're doing it. Do everything intentionally, without expectations, just for the pleasure of doing it. Learn how to discern and stop judging. Be the source of what you would like to receive from others. Ask yourself questions. Without thinking you have to know the answers, you will find them. Cultivate gratitude. You will always have what you need. Remember that others meet you mainly to be recognized. Cultivate interests, something you love doing that satisfies you. You may be now thinking, I can't remember all the ingredients. That's okay. You can either watch this video again and again, or you can download the Wellbeing Recipe clicking on the link in the description below. As always, I look forward to read your comments. If you haven't done it yet, subscribe to the channel. And if you want to be notified of other videos, activate the notifications. If you think someone could benefit from it, share it. I thank you very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again.